I was at work until just a few minutes ago. Well, first it started last night. Matt called me, wondered if I could help him, which is fine and dandy, but I'm at work, which is not where I live. So Rudy went and picked my truck up.
Yep.
Drove over, and now I'm in the truck and we're headed to find Matt, which is like 60 miles away from where we're at right here. So, and we don't really know where this truck is that we're going to get.
No, we don't.
They told us it was in one spot, and then we found out this morning that it's really not there, that it's somewhere else. So maybe we'll find it.
How far from the hill are you?
Always.
Yeah, we're pretty far. We're just near Bumblebee.
Okay. So I'll give you the next turn when we get to it.
Okay,
Alright.
sounds good.
This is our direction so far. Turn right at Eagle Mountain Ranch, still building, at the bottom of a little hill. You'll turn right and you'll be on that road a little while. You know you've made the right turn when you see a little berm on the side of the road.
Sounds
And they're
like
dropping,
we can figure that out.
yeah, and they're dropping Doritos at every turn so we know which way to go.
As long as there's no hungry animals, we should be able to find the Doritos. We're never finding them.
2 hours later.
Our map says we're about 10 minutes out.
Okay. Yeah, berm.
Yeah, that's a terrible landmark.
We seen the berm. There's old Randy. I thought you said there would be more room here. This is less room by far.
So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking you, right like this.
Okay.
We'll get Lizzie in there, gently reversing.
What if we snatch block off a tree so we can pull up with one of them hard?
We could. I didn't even think about that.
So what happened exactly?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Yeah?
One of our drivers lost sight of the road or something.
Just got too far over and pulled him off?
Far over and until his cracks went, before people started walking, his cracks went right through here.
Oh yeah.
So
that big cedar tree right there will hold. Anywhere right there will work. That'll work. What do you think about that? Pull the back just barely first from where you're at, and then I'll hook on and you pull at the same time.
Oh, you want me to grab the back right now?
Maybe just pull it up a couple feet, because we lose a whole bunch of dirt back there. Just come like a foot this way, and
Yeah,
then hook
I
to
see
the
what
front
you're-
again.
I see what you're saying.
We'll
As you pull this towards somebody.
do you want another strap to throw around that, just so you can kill us if it breaks? Just wrap it around it right here. Just throw it over it so if the cable breaks, it doesn't whip anybody. I guess pull on a little, I'll watch it. Okay, you guys are gonna want to not be in the middle of there.
Nobody in the triangle of death.
You don't want to be in there. If that comes out of that tree, you don't want to be there. Pulling the front down. Back it off. That's good.
Okay, Lizzie, jump in this.
what do you think?
I think this is not going to work like this. We got to come off of something else down to it. I don't think this is going to work, man. It's just pulling that tire hard. I don't know if there's a way to get up on here or not. We need to be setting like right here. I think we may be able to do this. Well, this is not good. It's not ideal. No, it's less than that. I might want to upgrade this.
Maybe we'll do it in your shop.
Possibly. Hang on, easy.
I know you like welding. Okay, now try it.
Still not good. Almost.
Well, what was that? This is why I don't like winches. Hey, try that.
You're fixed.
So it's not the stupid winch.
Nope, the winch is back to being okay again. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to be above this thing to get it to come up on. I think I'm gonna have to be like right through there or there. Right there's about the best spot. So we'll see if it'll go up on it. I'm about to wear all this. Around here. Will you give this shovel and get it off so I don't ruin it? Wrap around this tree.
A bow shackle or soft shackle? No. Oh, right there. Hey, Paul!
No,
Can you get Paul's attention for me?
I can just wrap it right around that tree and hook it back to the bumper and we'll be there. And wrap around. Go through and then you got it.
This one's close.
Right around it right there. I'd prefer less bushes too. I tried to thin them as much as I could.
Pretty good.
All right. There's one side. Now we'll see if we can get to the other side.
Around the tree.
Yeah, if you would pull the other side's already hooked. All right.
It's okay.
We're hooked. Every time I help Matt, that's the outcome. What?
I heard that.
Are you hooked? Do you think we want to be hooked on the bottom side so it doesn't try to lift?
Well, it can't roll over where you're hooked right there.
Okay, I'll put a little pressure on it and see what it does.
You going? Go.
Okay, hang on a second. Paul, let me get you connected to this back bumper because I think your rope's causing us some problem now on that tire.
Okay. Will it stay if I slack it?
Yeah.
And then hook back here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let off. This is a good time.
Yeah.
I always like the late signal, like, oh man, you should have stopped.
Now we need to turn the tires back the other direction.
I've seen my four-wheeler.
We should be able to just ride up on. Those shackles are a pain in the butt.
To get off.
They don't, once you flop that thing over the big ball in the end, they're a pain to get back out of there. You don't have to worry about them coming off though. I got dirt all over me. little carnage there, down there. Jeez. Workman's comp claim on this one for sure. I think I'm gonna drive right out here and off of this. And I believe that's how I'm getting out of here. Yep.
Okay, go ahead and tighten it up.
Okay. Turn the wheels to the left.
Yeah.
And drive out backwards.
Turn to the right. Left.
not hard, right? There you go. Keep coming, drive forward. You're okay. Just drive forward. You're on the road. That could have gone worse. It could have. That wasn't bad. Done.
Oh. Probably good.
Just like that, we're out of here.
Oh, well, here's a change.
Yeah, I know. Getting it back?
Well, I drugged myself all over this road. I should have hooked.
That Excursion is a boat anchor, man.
Yeah. It was.
I'm glad it wasn't a diesel like I thought it was going to be. That would have been even worse.
Hold on, don't put everything away yet. I've got to inspect your truck for parts. So what Paul doesn't take my straps, he leaves them on trees out in the wilderness.
It's for the next time when we get back.
Yeah, there's one up there for the next time.
Where at?
On the dry wash trail. My purple strap.
That one that's on the cedar tree.
Yep.
Yeah, I know exactly which one you're talking about.
But then I left the crowbar up there, so there's a strap and a crowbar up there.
See, we're set. Next time we go there and we need it.
Got a digging bar and a sun-rotted strap.
All right, so we got here. We finally found them. Got it pulled out. It was in a pretty bad spot. We had to get up above them because we didn't have another shackle like we needed, but we got it handled and it all turned out good.
Only minor injuries.
Minor, no big deal, but now we're headed back to Bayo and back to work.
Yep.
All right, we made her back to my camp trailer, well, my motor home, and Rudy's gonna take my truck and head home, and I'll go back to work. So,
Yep.
we'll see ya.
Thanks for coming, Paul.